A train goes from point A to point B. Point A to point B. If the train averages 50 miles per hour, all of you look at the board, please. Averages 50 miles per hour. Then it will be 20 minutes late. When they say 20 minutes late, that means they are referring to the actual time that it is supposed to take, correct? Let's say the correct time that it is supposed to take is t. Let's say the distance traveling that it's traveling is d. Let's say the correct speed that if it travels the correct speed, it is yes. The correct time it should take is t and the distance is d. Good with that, all of you? Right? Since the data in hours, he says it will be 20 minutes late. So what is the first one thing you need to fix? Did you notice the change of units? So what do you need to do? Convert the 20 minutes into, come on, hours. How do you convert the 20 minutes into hours? You divide by 60. So what is 20 over 60 m? So 20 over 60. So it is late by 1/3 hour. Are you okay with that? So that means, can I say the time it took, it is t plus 1/3 hour. Good with that, everyone? T plus 1/3. If it averages 80, if it averages 80 miles per hour, it will be 10 minutes early. Again, convert the 10 minutes, please. How do you convert the 10 minutes into hours? Divide by 60, which is 1/6. Can I say, so it says 1/6 hour early. That means what is the time taken? T minus 1/6 hours. Is that okay, Amma? Everyone, how I'm writing those? T minus 1/6, T plus 1/3. Everybody okay with that? Okay. But let me ask you one question. Even though he is traveling at different speeds, he is taking at different times, but the distance traveled in both cases is what? Same. Got it? Same. That means distance traveled here, distance traveled here is the same. Agree? But what is the distance formula? If the speed is distance over time, what is the distance formula? Speed times time, correct? So that means, can I say that is speed 1 times time 1 is equals to speed 2 times time 2? What is the speed 1? 50 miles per hour. What's the time taken? T plus 1/3. What is the speed 2? 80. And what's the time taken? 1/6. Don't you have an equation now with a simple variable, one variable? You can definitely solve it. So move on and proceed. So 50t and 50 times 1/3 is 50 over 3. Distribute. So 80t. What is 80 times 1/6? Can I say 80 times 1/6? If you simplify, that is 40 over 3. Is that right, everyone? 40 over 80 over 6. If it is simplified with a 2, isn't it 40 over 3? Is everybody following them up? Now go ahead and combine. Group the like terms. What is 50 over 3 plus 40 over 3? And then what is 80t minus 50t? 30t, correct? And what is 90 over 3? 30. Can I divide by 30 on both sides? So what is t equals to? So that means, what is the time it is supposed to take? 1 hour. Is that making sense now? It is supposed to take 1 hour if it travels at the correct, if it were to arrive at the correct time, it should only take 1 hour. Is that clear, all of you?